We are in the Sahel, right in the center of the continent, and I've been documenting the Great Green Wall throughout the Sahelian belt from Senegal to here, right in the middle of Chad. Without the people who actually believe in natural world and its power, this expedition would have been absolutely impossible. These bars, natural BodyMe bars, which is 100% food, organic, vegan, has enabled me to get through such remote locations and in this incredibly hot and difficult climate. There's nothing here to eat, literally, apart from millet. I've been relying on these bars to survive. This has been my lunch, dinner and breakfast.